Well, it's a week after Huntsville, and I'm just about catching up with the yard work that I neglected because of all the work I did getting ready to go to Huntsville. Sure didn't want to miss that. That's going to be the biggest event of the year for any Cyclekarts. Got a lot of mowing to do. I've been neglecting it all spring, trying to get the trailer ready and get the cart back together from some of the changes I made this winter, and didn't have time to do everything. And one of the things I had to let go is the yard work. I got 6.5 acres here to take care of at Shangri-La, and I really have been mowing all week long and raking, but I just thought I'd kind of, I got my own version of crop circles. I know it's not what they think of over in England or some of the farms and stuff, but I run everything into a good-sized circle, 8 or 10 feet in diameter, and then I rake it the rest of the way by hand, and then I pick it up in the bucket here and spread it around the trees and stuff like that. I know you guys out there in the desert, you desert livers out there in Phoenix and places like that, don't know what grass is. It's not something you smoke, it's something you feed the cows, you know. Make the milk for your kids out of it. But I just thought I'd make a quick little video and show some of the work involved in keeping a place like this up. So not everything is Cyclekarts. There's other things that have to go along with it. So let me take a quick video. I did 40 of these crop circles so far, and I got another 32 to do down here in the pasture by the creek, and then I'll be done with that. Then I can start on the trimming, which I haven't trimmed around the edges at all yet either. And I've been working at it every single day since I got back from Huntsville. So let's take a quick run down here, and we'll take a look at some of the mess we've got. Chewy! Must be the hay fever, huh? All right. Let's see if I can stick this thing to the... It'll probably fall off on me. Yeah. So we gotta corral all this pile. It's really quite a bit of grass too. I wish I had a horse or a cow to feed it to. I really don't. I talk about my livestock sometimes. That really is the dog and the cat. This property used to have 3 horses on it. Well, the suction cup didn't work very well, did it? All right. Boy, this is going to be a real mess. I think I'm going to be ashamed to post this one to the video, to the YouTube. Okay. Okay, that's one. 31 more to go. But that means I've got 41 already finished. So, a lot of work to take care of a place like this. A lot. But I call it Shangri-La because that's just what it is. It's so nice in the evening to sit up on the veranda and when this is all the work's done here and have a beer and just think about how lucky you are. I had to work my whole life to get it, but I'm going to try to enjoy it the last few years. I think all of you should do the same thing. Okay, we're going to shut you down.